Well, good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you're here. My name's Jim. And man, we had a great night last night. What a dump we had yesterday. It was awesome. And the market has become a lot clearer to us, so that's fantastic. Guys, this wedge was staring us right in the face the whole time and didn't see it. It's crazy. We were doing the live stream last night, trading night school, and somebody mentioned, "Hey, there's a wedge." I'm like, "Ah." So frustrating, guys. Looks like we have a diagonal in our hands. So, um, yeah, let's take a peek at what it is. Looks like we've got a diagonal. Get the yawns this morning. Excuse me. Don't forget, this isn't financial advice. It's not intended to be financial advice. Don't forget about that, guys. But here we've got a diagonal. We got a one, two, three, four, five. Looks like we're gonna have. Generally, we need three waves down each section. So it's hard to delineate here what we've got, but that might be the first three, second three, third three, fourth three. It looks like we're going to get that, something like that. Now, what is that? What is that? Generally, we break up and out of diagonals like so. Now, there's two possibilities that I can see. One possibility is that this is actually the fifth wave. It looks like it's poised to be a truncated fifth wave, or not make a lower bottom, or make a double, or make a final bottom, like a triple bottom here, and then we're up from there. We're mooning from there, or guys, this is a leading diagonal where this begins the fifth wave down, and that's just wave one. Let me zoom out and show you. Okay, so if that's a leading diagonal, then what we've got here, guys, is this one, two, three, four, five, and it's not looking good at all. Not looking good at all. Okay, just to show you what a leading diagonal we've already had kind of looks like. Um, right over here, kind of a diagonal beginner, right there. All right, and you can see what followed. You can see what followed that. So we've had an ABC to the upside here, and then we've got this diagonal, and then we should get a little bit of a. Let me get this out of the way here. We should be getting a little bit of a push up out of here, but it's not. It's going to come up maybe 50%, maybe 60%, 61% of that. And let me just look at that. What can we expect? Yeah, 50% here would be 82.41. 61% would be 83.63. So yeah, uh, it's not looking great, guys. That's not looking great at all for upside. To me, it's looking more like we've got down. Okay, so regardless, it's a good place to be thinking about going long. Um, Going long out of this. I'm expecting one more touchdown to the downside on that guy. So we need to see three waves down to it. Just okay. Need to see three waves. So I don't think it's finished completely, though it could be. My take on it is that it's not finished. So looking for one more push down. If we don't get it, watch for the break of the upper trend line here. Watch for that break of the upper trend line, and that might be a good place to go long, or just wait for it to come up here. Wait for it to come up here and look to go short. That's the better play to me. Short is the safer play right now. People are scared to go short, but listen, this market is bear, and when it's bear, you go short. Try not to go against the trend when you're trading. So that's what we're looking at, guys. Let's just take a peek at what that gives us as far as our final target here, if that gives us any inclination at all. Guys, we've got this target right down here. There's this 1276 target sitting down here at 6124. We still have not hit $7,500. I'm still looking to hit that. Still looking to come on down with that. Um, but it looks like we're going to go past it. Looks like our target, really, our area is about 6124. That's the 1276 extension of our WXY. I know it's not the best news in the world, but it might be. It might be fantastic news because there's a major discount in Bitcoin. And after that, guys, I think we have a really, a good plausible upside. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Let's just zoom in on the 5-minute chart and see if there's anything that's going to be seeable here. Got the yawns pretty bad today. Had a wick down there and a rejection. Getting a good wave to the upside here. Haven't quite hit the 1-to-1 extension yet. Kind of came past the 786. Not sure if that's finished or we're going to come on down from there. We might have another push up to test 8,000 again and then back down. So there you go. That's what we're looking at. Let's take a peek at Litecoin and XRP and Ethereum, because let's just kind of take a peek at those waves there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like to me we Litecoin isn't finished. Just depends on how you count this wave. Litecoin's a tricky one here for sure. The trend lines are more expanding than contracting. You've got that there. You've got that there. Of course, that doesn't even touch. This comes down to the 1276. We get a kind of an impulse off of that, but the problem is it's not a 5-wave impulse. It's just a 3-wave impulse. I mean, so in other words, it comes up to past the 1618, but it doesn't give us the 5 waves we're looking for. It gives us 3 waves. So we're looking for 5 waves coming down, or yeah, I'm looking for 5 waves to come down unless we get a 3-wave move here, because when we look at this particular wave right here coming down right there, yeah, this is, that could be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm inclined to say that this is, that's why I had it marked like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have one more push down. So if Bitcoin comes down one more time, so will Litecoin. That's what we're looking for. And that'll finish. Could be an extended 5th wave, or just a double bottom here. Should see a 3-wave pullback and then more downside, potentially. I'll have to wait and see what we get there. I'd like to see a lower low here. That would be ideal for me, but let's wait and see. Let's check our XRP here. XRP is in a channel right here, and I know everybody's probably waiting for it to come back up, but guys, I don't think it's going to come back up. I mean, it could, but it's just not going to stay in this channel forever. Okay. Show you the channel in XRP. It's not going to stay in this channel forever. I count the 5 waves. They're all 3 wave-ish in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. Looking for a 3-wave pullback to the downside. So that's going to be correlating with Bitcoin downside as well. And then Ethereum looking the same way to me. We've come down finally and hit the 1-to-1 extension, except nothing looks finished. And so I'm still just looking for more downside for Ethereum. Looking for more downside. So it looks like when Bitcoin gives its final low, we're going to see a final low here for Ethereum as well. We need to see this come on down in 5 waves, I would think. I guess it could come down in 3, but this is a 5 wave, 3 wave. Looking for a 5 wave structure down to the downside. So I need to see it come on down in 5 waves. That's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, that's what we're taking a peek at. Guys, we got a lot of downside, to give you targets right now. I've already given in previous videos. Let me just Ethereum's downside targets. If we get more downside, okay. 104 is one way to get that target. Well, I'm trying. Yeah, 98 is the 1618. It's not looking good. Sub 100, guys. Sub 100 in Ethereum, potentially. It all depends on what we get out of Bitcoin, okay? That's really the critical one. I want to see what we get out of here. If we get another push, and then we get a 3 wave move, and then another push, then that's not going to be good. Now, if we just get another push, that's extended. That becomes extended down to the which is I think is a possibility. If we could just get one more push, extends it down to the $7,500 mark. That could be. I would be satisfied with that's finished, and then we'd be going up from there. So let's have to wait and see what Bitcoin does. So it's just kind of a wait and see, guys. But that's downside to me, looking like. Watch this trend line up here. If it breaks that trend line, we're getting at least a 3 wave pullback. But be aware that there are other counts that put us going higher from there. We have not broken this bottom yet. We haven't broken this bottom yet. So if this isn't an ending diagonal, then or if it's, I mean, it could be just an ABC right here. And so what we could have on our hands is again just preparing you for upside potentials here. 1, 2. That's a 1. This is ABC here. 1, 2. And then we're going to moon from there. Okay, so not a bad idea to go long here in case we get the big upswing. Not a bad idea at all. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. We'll get some more information, but it's Friday. I've got to go for an interview here, a meeting with someone actually, and we'll have to pick you up on tomorrow. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.